In our previous class, we have gone through one type of traversal techniques on trees, right? What type of a tree we used for traversal? Binary tree. Binary tree means maximum how many children it can have? Two. Can it have one? Yes, it can have one, right? It may not have anything also, right? 0, 1 or maximum 2, right? What are the three different techniques we have studied as part of traversal? What are those three terms? In a binary tree, on a list part, we can have three terms there. One is root node, other one is left node. After we visit the root node, then we visit left and then right. What is the second type of traversal? In order. In the in order technique, what we do? First, which is the node that has to be read? It is in order. In means middle. Middle, what we should read? Root. And first, left. Left, root, and then right. And in the third technique, that is post order, root has to be kept at the last. So first, what we will read? Left, right, then root. Okay. We have seen one example in the last class. We have taken one particular tree and then we have read that. And today we will go through a couple of more examples and try to traverse a tree in all the three different orders: pre-order, in order, and post order. Okay. Now, online students, is my voice audible properly to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, first we want to apply here what type of traversal? Pre-order. Okay. Now, since at the top we have a root. What is the root? A. Since it is a pre-order, should we visit it first? Yes. So that means first what I get there? A. After I visit A, since it is a pre-order, where should I go? Left side. Now I will go to the left side of that. On the left side of A, what I have? B. Now, is that B, is it a leaf node? Is that B is a leaf or is it a root for someone else? It is root for someone else, right? That means now here on the left side from B, then I can just try to visualize that this is again a subtree. In this subtree, which is root B. Since the technique is pre-order, I need to read B. After A, what I get there? B. Now I read this particular B. Next, what I should do now? Its left side. On its left side, what I have? C. Now, is this C again? Is it a root? Right? How many leaves it or how many children it have? Only one, right? But now I am at a root here. Now, since C is a root, should I read it first? Yes. Okay. Then after B, I get C. Correct? Now, once C is right, that is C is right, I need to go where? Left side. But is there a left part of this? No. Now where should I go? Right side of that. Since it is a pre-order, root I read, that is C I read. After that left side, there is no left child. Now I will go to the right of C. On the right of C, what I have? D. Now again, is this D a leaf node or is it again a root for someone else? It is again a root. Since it is a pre-order, now what I should do? Read this. So visit this particular D now. Once after this D is done, now what I should do? Left of that. Left of that, what I have? E. So now I get here E. Now left of D is done. Now right of D is what? F. So I get F. Now if you look at C's left nothing was there. C is right. All these three are now right completely. Means this C is taken care. What actually C is? Left of B. Correct? So left of B is taken care. Now we need to go to right of B. So in the right of B, we have anything? No. That means we will come one level above, that is to A. Now, at this stage, if you can closely look at, we initially read the root, that is A, and all its left part we visited. Right? All its left part is been visited. Now we should go to right of A. So level by level, first we need to go on downwards, and then the same level come upwards. Now we are at A. So A we read, left of A we read, that is we visited. Now we need to go towards the right of A. On the right of A, what we have? G. Now, is this G a root node? Yes. So now what we should do? Should we read G first? Because it is pre-order. So read G first. Once I read G, I need to go where? Left of G. Left of G, what I have? X. Now, is this X root node? Yes. Since it is a root node and I'm following a pre-order, so root has to be visited first. So I write X. Following. Right? Now, I read X. Left of X, there is nothing. Now, where should I go? Right of X. On the right of X, what I have? Y. Now, is this Y a root? So, root has to be read first. So, Y, I will read now. After Y is read, I should go to the left of Y. Left of Y, what I have? Z. Is this Z a root node? No. So, just simply read the Z. Okay. Now, Z is done, that which is left of Y. Is there anything on the right of Y? No. Means this entirely these two are done. These two are what? Right of X. Correct? So right part is taken care of X. Now I will go one level above, that is G. Right of G, is there anything? No. Right? So now if you can look at, we read first root node, followed by left of A and then right of A. Every time we proceed or we visited all the nodes such a way that we did not have any duplicate, like we did not visit any of the vertex or any of the node two times. All the nodes were visited exactly one time, and there is a proper format or a proper technique used in order to visit each and every nodes. Wherein the root node was kept at the middle, followed by left, followed by right. Understood? Okay. Now we will go to the next one, that is in order. Now, what I want is that from the online students, can you try to respond now for the in order technique? Yes, Anushka. Anyone? Manisha? Sanjeev? Varda? Okay. So online students, they are somewhere else. Fine. Offline students. Now what we should do now? Since it is a in order. In order means first left. Okay. Do we have a duster and a board? Since they are not at all attentive, I will not bother to look at here. I will just explain to you on a board. It is a in order. Root should be kept for middle, first we need to visit left. Now start from the root node. What we have? A. Now should I read that first? No. Where should we go? Left. So on the left, what we have? B. Now is that B a leaf? No, it is a root. So again go towards its left. On its left, what we have? C. Is it a root? Yes. Now should we read C first? No. Where we should go? Left. Now is there anything on the left of C? No. Means we need not to read the left part. After the left is done, what has to be done? Root. Middle. What is the middle there? C. So first C we get. Understood? Now C is done. Left of this there was nothing. We write now middle from that. We place root at the middle. Now we should go to the right of C. On the right of C, what we have? D. Is it a root? Yes. That means we should not read this. We should go left of that. What is there on the left of that? E. Is it a leaf node? Yes. That means read E. Correct? Now, after I read E, what I should do now? Middle, right? That is D. I get D. After D, right. What is there of? Yeah. Next one. Tell me. Next one. Try to go one level above, right? We read F. F was what? Right of D. So right, that is done. This we read it's completely done. Go above. When we are going above, what was this? Right of this. Right of this means this is also entirely done. Go one level above. What actually this C is? Is it a left or a right of B? Left of B. So we just covered left of B. Now we need to visit middle of that. What is middle? B. So now we get B here. Understood? Now after B, left is done, the middle is done, then right. Is there anything on the right? No. So go one level above. When we go one level above, for A, what is B? Left. So now we did all the left nodes of A. Next what? A. So after B, we get here A. Okay. Now we need to go on the right side. So we come arrive at the right side. What we have? G. Now is that G root node? Yes. What we should do? Left of that. What is there on the left of that? X. Is X a root node? Yes. So where we should go now? Left of that. Is there anything on the left of X? No. Since there is no left on the X side, what we should do? Middle. What is middle there? What is root? X. So we get X. Following? Now, X we did, right? Left of this there was nothing. So middle part, that is X we read, visited. Then right of that. On the right of that, what we have? Y. Is it a root? Yes. Then left of Y. What is there left of Y? Z. After Z, Y. After Y, G. Done. Right? Now, if you look at here, is there any duplicate nodes? No. Right? First, we visited left and then middle and then this is what middle? A is middle. Left of that, C, E, D, F, B. Are they left of A? Right? In that again, B is the root. Now, before this B, we taken care of everything. Again, the same or a proper technique is used wherein root is kept in the middle. First we write left side, then the middle, and then the right side. This approach is in order. Okay. Now, what about the post order? First, what we should do? Left, then right, and then middle, that is root. Now, start from the root A. Since it is a root, where we should do? We should go now left of that. On the left of A, what we have? B. Is B a root node? Yes. Then what should be done? Left of B. Left of B is C. Is C a root node? Yes. C is a root node. Then left of C. Left of C, is there anything? No. Now what we should do? Right of C. Right of C is what? D. Is D a root node? Yes. Then left of D. Left of D is what? E. Is it a root or is it a leaf? Leaf means read it. So first I get E. Now what I did? I read E, which is left of D. After I read left, I should read right. Right? So what is there on the right? F. So now I get F here. Left, that is E is done. Right, F is done. Then the root. What is root for E and F? I get B. Correct? Now, look at here. All these three are done. These are what? Right of C. B is right of C. That means left was taken care. Nothing was there. Fine. Right we took care. Then root. After now D, we get C. Is this understood? Yes? Now, after I read C, next what? C was what actually? What is C? Left of B. So left of B is done. Now right of B. Is there anything on the right of B? No. Then root node. What is root? It is the root node. Agree? Now, what actually B is? Left of A. Means left of A we have taken care. Now what we should do? Right of. Right of A is what? G. Now is that G a root node? Yes. What we do? Left of G. Left of G is what? X. Is that X a root node? Now look for left of X. Is there anything left of X? No. Then right of X. Right of X, what we have? Y. Is Y a root node? Now we read Z. Z is actually left of Y. Then what is there on right of Y? Nothing. Now after Z, what I should? Y. That is root. Then after Y, X, because Y is a right of X. So X I get. Then after X, after G, A. Over. Now here also, if you can look at, there are no duplicate nodes. Every time we visited such a way that root was kept at the end. First we visited left, then right, and then the root. This technique is called again post order. Is it something similar to the one in second semester you have studied? Expressions, infix expression, prefix expression, postfix expression. If you take a binary operation like A plus B, right? What is plus operator? A and B are operands, right? Now, if I write like this, it is called as infix expression. If I write plus AB prefix operation, and if I write AB plus postfix operation, do you recall this one? Right? The concentration here is on the operator. If I place operator in middle, infix. In the search technique, try to apply. If I keep the root at the middle, in order traverse. Correct? Now, in the expression, if I keep the operator first, prefix operator or prefix expression. The same way here, pre-order, where root I will read it first. Same way for the postfix expression. In the postfix expression here, the plus is written at the last. Correct? Same way in post order, root we will write at the last. Now you might be getting to know where exactly we use these applications. Okay, we will see one more example. Okay, now do I have one more here? No, I think only these two. Okay. Can you solve this? Do it here. Online students, try to get the pre-order, in-order and post-order traversal for this particular binary tree and put your answers in the chat box. Let me put it on the screen for everyone. 1 second. Yes. What is the in-order values? G. Sorry, I'm sorry. Pre-order. Pre-order. A, B, D, G, H, C, E, I, F, J. This is something you said now. I'm not writing myself. Whatever you're telling, I'm writing. Okay. A, B, D, G, H, C, E, I, F, J. Wrong? Correct? Wrong? If it is wrong, then check yourself where you have gone wrong. Online students, did you get the same answer for pre-order? One of you can confirm.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
What about
sir.
in order? First is G, D, H, B, A, I, E, C. After E, it is C. Then F and then J. Yes. Is this correct? Did you get the same answer, students? Online students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about post order? G, H, D, B, I, E, J, F, C, A. Yes, this is correct. Online students, check your answers.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this completes the tree traversal techniques.